kids, it's Miss Greer Koja again, and it is that time. This week's lesson is on telling time to the half hour. Welcome to Miss Greer Koja's Rockin' Math Review. Okay. Quick review. Find the number in the pattern. 587, 597, buzz. 607. Our objective this week, I can tell time in hours and half hours. Our essential questions. This means questions that you have to remember throughout the lesson. How do minutes and hours connect to place value? Why is it important to be precise when telling time? Let's review. We measure time using clocks. What two types of clocks measure time? If you said analog and digital, you are correct. The shorthand measures what? Shorthand measures hours, the hours. The longhand measures the minutes. You learned this. You learned this in my class last year, so I know you got it. Do you see how analog has a face to it? Digital's face is just basically the numbers with the dot here and the minutes, okay? Remember the analog clock, okay? So when your shorthand, your hour hand falls in between two numbers, you use that hook method and you go back to that time. That will be your hours. So it's between the 4 and the 5. It's not 5 o'clock. It would be 4 o'clock, okay? It will be 4 o'clock, actually 4:30. Here we go. You have 1 hour in 60 minutes, 30 minutes in half an hour, okay? So when you're reading this time, it's going to say, is it going to say 4? No, it's between the 3 and the 4. So it's going to hook back to that 3. It's going to be 3:30 or 30 minutes after 3. Okay? Let's tell time. Look at that time. First we do the hour hand and then we read it like that. Read the hour and then the minutes. You see that one? That one's a little tricky. I threw that one in there, but I know you got it. And then we have a word problem. First one, the hour is between the 1 and the 2. What would it be? We know that the minute hand is on the 6, so that would be a 30. So it would be what time? If you said 1:30, give yourself a pat on the back. The next one, the hour and minute hand is at 12. It would be 12 o'clock. The next one, the aquarium opens at 10 o'clock in the morning and closes at 8:30 in the evening, How many hours is it open? This is time elapsing, but this is something you learn in 3rd grade, but I know my 2nd graders got it. Start at the 10 and then you count up. So you'll do 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? 8. Starts at 10 a.m. and count up to 8:30. It opens for 10 and a half hours every day. Let's tell time again. Make sure you look at that one. Check that one out. And here go your word problem. This should be easy. We know the hour hand is on the what? So what time is it? 5 o'clock. The hour hand is between the 8 and the 9. What would it be? 8:30. The Dolphins do performances every 4 hours. They did one show at 11. At what time is the next show? It's just simply adding. We're adding how many hours? 4. So you got 12, 1, 2. What? Okay. I circled 4 right there so you know how many more are you adding. The next show is at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is your turn to do this. What time is it? Make sure you check out your hour first and then your minute. I'll read this problem. Kids can pet starfish at the starfish exhibit every day at 11 o'clock in the morning. The petting session will last for 1 hour and a half. When is the petting session done? At this time of the video, you can pause the video, allow yourself time to think, and I would love to see your answers. So this time you can pause the video. And we're going to move on. I would love to see those pictures. So snap a picture of your work and email it to me. Thank you guys. See you all next time.